and welcome to the Pro Charging Systems Technical Support video series. In this video, we'll be going over how to use our PROView Link app. Let's start by going either to the App or Play Store. You'll want to search for PROView Link and download it to your device. Now that it's fully downloaded, follow the tutorial guide prompts. These will help you get more familiar with the look and feel of the app. Make sure to allow for the app to turn on both location and Bluetooth services. There will be prompts for each setting. You should now be on the Scanning for All Devices screen. This is where the app will auto-generate any PCS device within range. If you have multiple devices, make sure you're connecting to the desired device. If your device doesn't appear, then click on the refresh icon at the top right corner. Click or select the device you want to connect to. The new screen you landed on will have a variety of different information displays which will help you understand just how your current battery pack is performing. If you're not sure of something or just need a little more guidance, please reach out to our tech support team at 615-471-5300 or submit a support ticket at www.dualpro.com/support. We'll be glad to help you through any stage of this process. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more.